If you're using High Level and Sendspark together to create AI personalized videos, it's going to be very easy to send them out in WhatsApp or SMS messages. The way you'll do this is you'll create an automated workflow in High Level where your trigger is an inbound webhook. And I'm going to assume, by the way, that you already have your dynamic video campaign. You already have a way to create dynamic videos. But now what you want to do is when dynamic videos get created, you want to send a webhook with a bunch of information. And then we're going to use that information in the text messages or WhatsApp messages that we send. So do the trigger inbound webhook. In Sendspark, there's a webhook section. So you can create a webhook and just make sure to use that URL from High Level, select videos created, and link this to a dynamic video campaign. So what this is letting you do is say, hey, whenever a dynamic video from this campaign that we've connected is created, enter them in that High Level workflow. So that's going to cause them to come in. And then now we get all the data that Sendspark's sending, which includes this field video link. And video link is going to be that AI personalized video that we made for this person. So I'm just going to show you this. This is an example where, the original video I recorded saying, hey, watermelon, blah, blah, blah. But in this video, it says, hey, Bethany.
Hi, Bethany. I just generated this video using Sendspark.
So this is like the type of video that we want to send. And then the next step is really simple. You're just going to add a new step and do the action, send SMS. And then from here, when you're writing the message, you can use, of course, the normal fields like first name, made you a video, and then go back to custom values. And the key thing is just make sure you're selecting inbound webhook trigger. Now you can see all of those fields from the webhook. So we can select video link. And this lets us send that AI personalized video that was made for this contact in the text message. So we can save this action. It's good to go. For WhatsApp, it's going to be very similar. You're going to use the action, WhatsApp, and then you can send the message. I also see for WhatsApp, it wants you to add a template. What you could do if you wanted to use a template that you've created for WhatsApp is actually save the property, save the video link that returns here as a contact property. So, we have this video link. What we could do is instead have a step that's like, save this as a property video link, and then use that property field in the template. So you have a couple different ways of doing this, whatever feels like simpler or easier for you to do. And definitely let us know if we can help with anything. All right, cheers. Happy recording.